Greetings everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we will be looking at how to add first-timers to your ChurchPlus Administrative Management software. We will also explore different options available for adding first-timers. So, let's dive in. To get started, head over to my.churchplus.co and log into your ChurchPlus account. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. From there, you can add new first-time guests by clicking on Add First-Timer or by going to the menu area and selecting People, then choosing First-Timers from the submenu options. Once you've accessed the first-timer page, click on the blue Add First-Timer button to add a new first-timer. Fill in all the required details, including the event or service they attended, and ensure to initiate follow-up instantly. This allows you to assign the first-timer to a follow-up member immediately. Once you've filled out the form, click on the big blue Save button to complete the process. Please note that the above process can be done by the church admin or follow-up leader. Another method is to use a public link available on the first-timer dashboard area. This allows your first-timer to add themselves into the church database. Simply click on the copy icon located on the right side of the public link and share it with your first-timers. Once the form is filled and submitted, you will see the data of your members on the first-timer dashboard area. You can also use a QR code. Add the QR code to your first-timer information card. This will make it easier for them to use the barcode scanner on their smartphones to scan the QR code, fill out the form, and easily add themselves to the database. A few things to keep in mind. The Person to Follow field is not available on the QR code and public link form because a first-timer cannot assign a follow-up person to themselves. Out of the three options, choose the most easy and convenient for your first-timer. Finally, once the Save button is clicked in any of the options used, the first-timer gets an automated first-timer welcome message on behalf of the church, and a default workflow is set up to allow consistent communication between the church and the first-timer. The workflow can be modified in the settings area. For more helpful videos, check out the ChurchPlus Guide series. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. For questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching.